Good morning, everybody. This is Eddie Rice from RV Air, and thank you for joining us. Today, we're going to be installing our new carbon-activated filters that we have been working on for 2.5 years. Many revisions, many designs. We've been in some pretty smelly places, but we did it. And it's right here. Today we're going to be installing is an AC-125C. That's a Coleman Max air unit, one of the most popular air conditioners in the industry today. Now I want to tell you, these filters have been in horse ranches, hog farms. We spent quite a bit of time in the West Coast with the fires, with the pungent air and the smell. Campsites, having the camper next to you. And what's great about these filters is that you do not have to have the air conditioner on to get it to operate. All you need to do is to run it in fan mode. So if at night it's getting a little smelly inside the RV, you can just run off of the batteries of the fan, and that will really help keep the odor out of the RV, especially for pets. This is probably really what we designed it was, is because 70% of all RVs travel out there with pets. It's amazing how many are out there on the road. And what this does is it helps keep the odor of the pets out of the RV. You may not notice it, but anybody stepping into your RV probably will. Okay, so let's get to the install and show you how simple this is going to work. First off, we're going to come up to our unit right here, and you can see this here, what it's called the Max Air unit. It's got these two clips right here on the side. We're going to push those in, and when we do that, it just drops down and it comes right out. I want to tell you that these things are notorious for breaking these tabs off that I'm showing you here. And one of the reasons they mainly break off is people change their filters or clean them when the air conditioner has been running. You want to bring these back to about room temperature, and this way they're not so brittle. And let me tell you, when you break these things, they're a real pain in the butt to try to find this grill, let alone buy it. So there you go. That's the tip of the day. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to make sure that our filter is this plastic filter that they offer you is clean and that there's no dust or anything in it. The only thing that'll be in there will be large dust or maybe a big mosquito, because that's about all they catch. But if that's the case, you need to take it out. Be careful of these tabs, wash it out, put it back in. And now we're going to come over here and we're going to take our carbon filter, and we just got our grill. We're going to take and put that like this with the white side down and the black side up. Once again, why do we do that? We want to get the real fine dust first out of that white side of the filter, and then we want to go through the activation of the carbon, and the idea behind that is to get rid of the odors. The carbon will hold that. Now these filters will last you 90 days straight of some pretty notorious smells. You will need to replace them yearly, so just remember that. Okay, and then when we come up here, all we're going to do is, remember our two little tabs we talked about? We're going to just slide them back in there, right in the little slots that goes in the inside. Fits right in there. We just take and push this right here. That's all we got to do. And we are good to go. So there you are. See how easy that was to do? There's no reason to not have a good filter in your RV. The only reason it was not available to you before is nobody took the time to make them, and we have been doing that. This filter right now can be bought immediately on RVAir.com, very quickly on Amazon. It will show up in Camping World and many of your finer RV stores soon as we get the distribution going more and more. The product is 100% satisfaction as usual on everything we build. You're not happy? Just call us. We'll send you your money back. That's just the way we do business around here. And I got to tell you, you're going to be really impressed with this product. Thank you so much and have a great day.